What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to unbox Mate 20 Pro. Yes guys, Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Let's do it guys.
Let's open this beast. So I bought it from the Swedish store called El Giganten. This is 128 version. 128 gigabyte version. So the RAM will be 6 gigabyte. There is another version 256 gigabyte, so the RAM will be on that 8 gigabyte. It comes with Android version 9 or Pie. IP68 water resistant. Up to 2 meter for 30 minutes. With high silicon processor. Kirin 987mm. 3 cameras. Wide camera with 40 megapixel and f-stop 1.8 27mm. Ultra wide with 20 megapixel, f-stop 2.2 and 60mm. And the third camera with 8 megapixel, f 2.4 80mm is telephoto. And guys, the important camera is the front camera for selfie, 24 megapixel, f 2.0 26mm wide. As you know or may know, the fingerprint sensor is under the screen, but it's not very responsive. I think this is version maybe 1, that's why. Maybe the next version will be more responsive. Let's see. And the size of the glass is 6.4 inch. And the part I like, and the battery is 4200 milliampere, big giant battery. It's kind of edgy phone, like Samsung Edge. There is only one USB-C in the bottom, and also, SIM card and memory card placed under the button beside the USB-C charger port. I like the color and the button, red button. I really like it. Back of the device is really like a mirror. So if you don't have a mirror, you can use it. And this is an infrared. What is that? Is maybe noise cancellation. Yes, we are going to see what is in the box. As there is a pin, SIM card opener. As you can see guys, I never use it, I always have one. There are 2 books, one big one in several languages. And guys, see, it is big. Thick. The charger, a fast charger. When you charge it, it says supercharge. And it has several voltage, as you can see. And the headphone is the same as the Mate 10 Pro with a USB-C connector. Yes guys, there is no headphone jack. I don't use it a lot. And the USB cable is also the same as the Mate 10 Pro. Is a purple color inside it. This USB is really fast. I use another USB, but it wasn't good for charging. And you can find a USB-C adapter to headphones, so you have that too. Yes.
The phone.
Here, as you can see in my hand, the size is good. I think the size is very good. And the camera. Okay, we start the phone. We are going to see. yes guys, just shot with my Mate 10 Pro. I don't know,
with notch.
but I don't like the notch, the fucking notch. USB-C, yes, I showed it before. As you can see guys, the SIM card and the memory card placed under the bottom of the device. And yeah, infrared camera. Yeah man.
That's it guys for this video. If you have any question, please leave in the comment. See you next time.